Alright guys, today we're going to look at a stunning retro featuring the Yamaha YZF-R1. We'll also check out its performance and the pure sound of the original SC Project exhaust system. Plus, keep an eye out for the riding position and how the quick shifter works. Make sure to watch until the end. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Original SC Project exhaust system. Up next, let's check out some stunning walk-around shots of the 2016 Yamaha YZF-R1. Don't forget to drop a comment below and share your thoughts on this beast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.